Welcome guys, welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to do a TA of XRP. There's no denying that XRP have not performed that well this bull run compared to other altcoins which did a 10x or 100x. Now don't get me wrong guys, XRP has still performed well, but the reason is, which most likely most of you know, is that because SEC has been on the neck on XRP and most XRP tokens have been removed from exchanges, so the liquidity got lost. And when liquidity is not there, when the money inflow is not there, there will of course not be price surges. However, I'm still extremely impressed that XRP held this well. But will XRP survive this bear market? Well guys, let's dive into it and analyze. And guys, let's take a look at the weekly and only focus on the long term. We know for a fact that most of these altcoins, if you follow my channel, you will know, will pretty much be crushed in this bear market. Especially with this Bitcoin dominance. When things fly up, which I have been talking about for a month now. I think I was the only channel who keep talking about this, and the way you guys can check my video. But anyway, if we go back, if this happens and we go above this resistance area, there's not a lot of resistance left, right? So it will just, the only resistance left is this red thing you guys are seeing here. So if it gets crushed, most altcoin, if not all, will get devastated, guys. Then we'll just give this, they will be non-existent. They will die pretty much. However, XRP have been survived for 3 bear market, I believe. They have the funds, they have a legit team, so I do believe it will survive. We just need to remove this SEC case, which is pure stupidity. And once that is removed, I believe XRP can do great gains. In a technical point of view for XRP, the long term, again, we look at the weekly chart, we are seeing a descending channel, which is a bullish bull flag channel actually, again for the long term, which means this can actually take a whole year before this can happen, weeks or months, alright? Really important to understand. A big shout out to today's sponsor, MEXC Global Exchange. They're a top 20 exchange with billion of volume and thousands of tokens. You can make an account all for free with no KYC, know your customer, and trade up to 10 Bitcoins. You also get a 10 BTC airdrop and $500 giveaway from XC Global by using my link provided down below, guys. And remember, even in the bear market, there's still, a lot of gains to be made. You can short it, you can long it, up to you. But no matter what, there's still price action even when you go down, right? A lot of people think as the bear market, everything is dead, we gone, we lose money. You can make money both way. If you don't hold, you can short it. If you want to buy more, you can DC way you down. And once you DC way you down enough, and there's a price movement, you can, sell out. So you don't have to wait for a new all-time high. There's a lot of ways to make money, and I of course show you guys this for free by joining my Discord chat, guys, or Discord server. The link will be provided down below. Anyway, guys, if you look at the TA yet again and look at this descending channel in the long term for the weekly, we can see the price action went to the support, went up, get rejected at the median line, as you guys see right over here, and then just went through the median line and of course hit the resistance, and then it used the median line and resistance as a area to consolidate pretty much, to go to the downside, right? And then we suddenly broke the median line, went down. Now we didn't hit or touch the support line yet, and the support line will most likely be in fib level 1236, which will be a price level of 0.25 or 26, around that area. Now that is low, and that is a price drop off from the current price drop of, how much is that? Around 31% drop. That is a possibility. I even believe it might go further, right? But at the moment, we need to see how this unfolds. Now, the VPVR can, of course, also confirm this, because as you guys are seeing right now, there's a lot of activity at this area, this price level. So I will personally DC my way down. I do have XRP, and I will buy more XRP right over here, because it did make me a great gains in 2017, 18, and 2020, and 2021. So XRP have done it's just made me a lot of money by trading this, not only holding, but trading it. So I do believe XRP will have some great returns, especially with this bullish descending channel. And of course, when the SEC case is over, because I truly believe that XRP will win, because at the moment the SEC case is a joke. If you're following the Hitman and all these kind of things, and if you just look at the volume right now, there's just a lot of sales volume. Let's look like the other volume. Let me just show you guys over here at the top. As you can see, there's not a lot of volume, only sell volume which is coming at the moment. However, guys, if we break this line, let me just show you guys. Let me show you just a moment. If we break this line, the fib level, oh, this is quite annoying. Fib level right here, fib level 1236. Then the next fib level will be 1618, and that price is amazing. Getting XRP at $0.15 is insane. I will personally buy it because, I mean, I saw XRP, you know, if you just look at XRP, I saw XRP in 2018, I believe, you know, surpass Ethereum, not once, but twice, all right? And if you look at XRP's market cap compared to Ethereum, I mean, XRP is a low cap gem then, right? Not I'm saying it's not a low cap gem compared to other altcoins, but compared to Ethereum, it is a low cap gem. And remember, XRP have a legit company called Ripple. They have lawyers, they have a legit team. They are constantly representing themselves in TV, in mainstream, and so on. So adoption for XRP is pretty high. So that's why I believe, in the fundamental point of view and in a TA point of view, that XRP can give great gains. Again, guys, this is of course only a probability game, no guarantee. So remember, I am not your financial advisor. Always do your own due diligence or you might get yourself wrecked. A fast look at our RSI, we can clearly see that we oversold. We're just below 30, but we can stay here for weeks, guys. Now, when we are oversold, usually means there's a lot of sellers ready to, you know, get into a position, because usually that just means we go do something like this. We get oversold, and then we get, you know, overbought area. As you guys see, we get almost oversold, and then we get overbought area, oversold, overbought area. All right, TA 101 doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to do something like this. We can easily do something like that, going here oversold, and that get rejected right here, and our side will get rejected either here or maybe here or something like that. All right, important to understand. However, guys, for the argument's sake, let's say that XRP goes down to this fib level as I anticipate it will do, 1236, or even further down to this strong support at 1618 fib level, at price level 15 cent, right? That means that the RSI most likely will go something like this, all right? It will overreach, it will oversold pretty much. However, guys, if you look at the TA 101, let me just show you, then we are making a strong bullish divergence. All right, do you guys see? Is the opposite, which means we now have strong support for this. If this haven't happened, I'm personally going to get in with a lot of money, because one, this price level is ridiculously cheap. 15 cents for XRP is insane in my opinion. And if you look at this oversold area in the weekly, I'm definitely just going to buy and then hold to the upcoming bull run, because once the SEC case is over, this will be insane. In my opinion, the volume and so on will increase. There will be a lot of hype and so on. If you look at the RSI stock, we can see the same scenario, right? Here in the oversold area. Look at the MACD. MACD is just telling us right now we are crossing to the downside, which means we will see more downside, which I also anticipate in the weekly, guys. Just keep an eye on a few things. This fib level 1236, and look at the VPVR. If you have in a paid trading view, then you can use this. Also, this is an important area. There will be a lot of price action at these levels. And the last fib level 1618 if this price do not hold. And of course, the stock market, BTC and all these kind of things just fell down. Most likely XRP and all altcoins will follow it, also follow the same footstep. But once we bottom out, right, we flatten out and consolidate and hit our fib level 1236 at this price level of 25 cents. I do believe in the long term, within 1 to 3 years to the next bull run, you will hit $10 per XRP. I strongly believe that, because we don't have an SEC case. Hopefully we win, right? And we have a lot of money inflow. Not to mention, remember, like I mentioned just before, XRP are the only one who not once but twice surpassed Ethereum's market cap, alright? So they deserve to be at these top 3 or top 2 altcoins. Anyway, if you look at the technical point of view, I also believe it will be around $10. We can actually take our descending channel, right? This is the reason this is called a bull flag, and measure it from here to the top right here and all the way here. Then you will see around $10, right? Around $10. Now take this with a grain of salt, all right? This is only, you know, probability no guarantees. We can also use a trend-based fib extension by taking the bottom from the top and all the way to a fib level, which we believe will be the bottom for XRP, no guarantee, but will have a strong support. Then we can see it's almost hitting our 3.618 fib level, which is also a key fib level. So it's almost overextended, and it most likely will, once it hit this level, go down yet again. We can also see some kind of 5-3-5 structure, right? A 5-way up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a ABC down, and then a 5-way up. This is also a possibility, of course. But I do believe strongly that we will see some kind of $10, not in the near future, but within 1 to 3 years, or up to the next bull run. Again, guys, remember, these are only probabilities, no guarantees. But however, I am going to buy XRP based on my own TA. If you're still watching, I assume you're enjoying this content or the TA of XRP, then I recommend you to watch the next recommending video on the left corner, guys. And remember, guys, join our Discord server. It's for free. I'm teaching you all of this for free. Join the crypto community. I'll always be there in the bear market or the bull run, because we will make money either way.